yɛmfa bridge no so afei zebra crossings a ɛwɔ baabia bi nso no driverfoɔ mom yɛnhwɛ wonyahu sɛ nnipa no gyina zebra crossing no so a yɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛsuo down na wagyina na wama wafa so na atumi nso aboa yɛn ɛna afei mesrɛ drivers there was speed limit when you are reaching certain areas. And also baby so to say interchange and approach road to an interchange like that. Multiple road network, one is the ultimate one. So now we come up a crew about 4. And then it's saying this I'm running to be a my ramp. Maybe a ramp sleepy walk around avoidable ramp. They create more traffic because nipa ni be slow down or now back more slow down. They imagine consequences. Yeah, na keti. The trailer mensa bosso no mobile break wa. Imagine the accumulated traffic ever block wall. And the more you have ramp on to no can it do no apply brake is not freshening or apply brake is not freshening. Question na ramp on no na 30 the 8 to 2. Na start to do na essay lose no at the ba. It's your best driver force who do chroma and I would do approach interchange and I be this ana. So speed limit no my name Latania except a mlani ticket. Na yina is meeting mraso na yesiken ya. Ebe ma bibia bekui. Ebie mono yakati road ministry roads and highways. Especially urban roads, routine maintenance. And also, omening komaye. Then a baby to Chimakatantama, na ya be corrected. Then a bear expanded and spreading. Yet nasi. Yet Piasi. President Nanado Danko Kufuado. The Miremu, or yet Mrenini, or certain record. Or making history, or a politician, both as a candidate and also as a president, or breaking record or setting history. And then as a president, Ogusu setting history or breaking record. Now, him last history, another history of our set. Another history, Nanado Danko Kufuado, about set, and it's hand over the presidency baton, no? I'm a colleague NPP in 2025. And the first history of a president Bianya, and I do down to Kufa Bobaye, Yamishirano, a very straight Dr. Barumia, Yamishira, the Papa Familia, year pet, external works to do account idea, the soup spread on the relationship with African Development Bank, or what can be my end. Storm drain, 7 kilometers storm drain external works. Baku running from the forest Guapo to Itaki River, where it snaps the Sumpa River to a traditional heritage point of the traditional council of Ganof. Avoid your friend and grandpa friend and Wanya, baby, in Quanipo in Taki Namono. When we are here, a traditional heritage at Timatrapu. Now the record set you and it's an increased scope of work. A major increased scope of work from a tier 3 to a tier 4 under the eagle eye of His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado. They not add on to cost. Under the same 3-tier cost, there's a convention of a 3-tier increase in scope from a 3-tier to a 4-tier work under the eagle eye of the President Nanado Danko Kufuado. I'm a recorder. History, I was ancestors to a breaking recorder or they call. Yamishra Munya media for him. Because I say, you media for a minimum, you have from 4 years. I've been here now in the idea subsidy. I have papa. So now we have proposed to risking our lives. No more, Baba, dear, then we need na mu make sure say near corner ekoyie na maka ekoyie nso anamoka na traffic people mu inconvenience people mu nyina mo de ba bonten na mu di akire no nyame kira mo say project affected persons, the community people or Chimai Residents Association Holy Hill and our residents associations are comminated together to a boo be dying no a value near the Kakra Breno. Now, the project affected people and the community. Now, their cooperation and their support for the project.
All right. Okay. All right. Yo. Okay. Yo, honorable.
Yeah, me we are saying Papa ni be wo na afa na mo born Samrane. Papa ni be wo na afa na mo ka kire say one is the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wo na mo ka kire say one na eti kuo bi e friend NAPCO. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be wo mo ka na fo asa ka kire me say one the president and no twere here for. Ono na abamu na udi na tem kura no won ka hwe papa ni bewu amama ka asem se kufo da abamu na utimi tena kwa mu ton no ma na yentu abaye bi ama na abaye bi ama how kind of for this is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of your kufo is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some more bad citizens. They have famu chichiru kro. More bad citizens. They have famu chichiru kro. Citizens say they mu chichiru kro. Man, this is a dia time and sanama share video. And just ye can't somebody go obiso and sanama follow ye. And just ye go obi wufi and sanama me ya star. Me pesta biya yo. Masa me bo me bro. Chale me ye serious yo. Chale I don't depend on MPP and NEC yo. Chale I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. The catch from me to family yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi a person including our every parliament, every court to them, every handful, every foreign quantity different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru ufise obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa when he say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra e no believe timi dia Ghana for ama Ghana for achenedi senya mra dia nanado e kwana wuyiro mu wuyo ala wansi na wutua no mu wuyo e chicha for na wutua mu ka mu wuyo na kono mu wuyo conference na wo bie no Ghana for wa control mu wuyo propaganda na e de o and 20 years ago, young would open it in you. Yes, son of Ghana for you. Enti emra. Nana emra na dia boy ya for ma watching and win. Yen yama also munko school free. En yankale nwisia mo brawa for na me kasa ma wo mu no. Omunti na maba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni a railway sinyajimo. Journalists be at me can want them do. Omo faso kotofo suntalese. Womu jamu ho ekoba journalist bi antimi akotan radio station anka wasam but atem de die etimi tena woye atem de die etimi dane ho blogger na Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger and the bloggers no kura ye come anim e wo followers senemo because of say you guys are so disappointed to the country bloggers no e wo followers because ye di atem. So journalists are Ghana nyina start at media. Have pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And you journalists be to say Captain Smart. And it was a judge journalist, and no broker, or a broker. Don't tell me, say, hey, Captain Smart TV, hey, a TV station, bio. And I remember Sabato TV, Namatiano, Minion Packet, whoa. Niana, me be a madio. Man, Koyo, be a human sound. Me be a Sabato TV, by myself. By my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge.